Hi everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Andreea, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a lazy makeup look. What does that mean? Less products, maximum results for whenever you don't really have the mood to apply full face of makeup. The truth is that you can use less products, have great results, and the difference between having a full face of makeup and using just like 10 products is not that big for people to actually notice the difference. You would still look put together. I mean, look at my face right now. I don't think there is somebody that would be like, oh, she did not use lip liner. I'm about to leave with Alex in about 15 minutes, and when I started to film this video, I was like, oh, like I don't really want to do makeup. Like I'm so lazy. It's so hot in here. So I thought, oh God, this is like the perfect time to do this kind of makeup because it's real. Like this is what I need right now. Before we get into this video, you can support my channel by clicking that subscribe button and that ring bell button. Now let's get into the video. It's one of those days, okay? I'm not in the mood to do anything. Let's get into this. Today is one of those days when I have no clue what the heck I'm gonna do. Shiseido Synchro Skin Glow. This is the kind of foundation that will not give you perfect, flawless finish. It's extremely lightweight and it's perfect for those days when you don't have to use a beauty blender or a blush. You could just use your fingers. 2 pumps. Did this ever happen to you when you're like applying your foundation as if it was your face cream? When you're lazy and you don't want to do a full face of makeup, you kind of have to pick your battles. Meaning, what's more important for you? Is it more important to do eyes? Is it more important to do eyebrows? I know women that tell me, like clients of mine that tell me, oh my God, I could never get out of the house without having my eyebrows done or without having my concealer. Like, all these are showing actually insecurities of ours. So for me, I prefer to have a little bit of foundation and concealer. Other than that, I'm good with everything else but foundation and concealer because I do not like the way my skin looks. So pick your battles, figure out what it is that you really don't want to get out of the house without, and focus on that. But I'm going to show you everything in this video. I'm going to show you eyebrows, like the lazy version of eyebrows, the lazy version of eye makeup, and everything else, okay? But you have to know that you don't need to do everything. Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow is in medium brown. Light strokes in the brows, like so. Then I brush it through so it make it look like there's no product in there, but we all know the truth. If you're the kind of person that absolutely loves doing her eyes, meaning a little bit of something something in there, I suggest you to have these cream eyeshadows. There are many brands that does them. I happen to have this Sigma. Oh, this is an eyeshadow base primer, but it has a color, and you know what? I've tried it and it works. So I'm gonna apply this all over my eyelid. Spread it with your finger. Who has time for brush right now? On top of this eyeshadow base, which I thought it's a cream eyeshadow, completely honest with you, I'll just apply a bronzing powder. This is from Becca and the color is Capri Coast. It's not completely matte, which is beautiful for the eyelids especially. So I'll just take it with a Sigma E35 brush. Apply it all over. This is really not going to do much on your eyes. It's just going to frame them and give some dimension. Now you can see that I'm wearing a lot of blue, and in my eyes blue work amazing with like warm browns. If you have blue eyes, warm browns look amazing on your eyes. Great. Now we didn't use concealer, but we will now. There's no way I'm not going to use concealer. Makeup Forever Ultra HD concealer in number 33. This is a Sigma F64 brush. This is a concealer brush. And it's super big. So you blend that concealer in like seconds. And the moment you apply concealer, I feel like the whole thing changes. Here's the thing. If you already know what lipstick you're gonna use, take the same lipstick that you're gonna use for your lips, put a little bit on the back of your hand. In my case, I know I'm gonna use this one from Il Maquillage. This is in Fiesta, Matte Fiesta. It's this color right here. It's so pretty, and you know it's a matte lipstick, so it lasts forever. I don't also have to think about what I'm gonna use. Sigma F03 brush. I've got a lot of Sigma brushes. I've just received them, and I figured I should use these ones because they're nice and clean. Take your beauty blender, take a brush, do it with your fingers. I prefer to use it with a brush. For me, it's very fast. Now, if you apply your liquid lipstick as a blush, I promise you it's not going to move from there. Now, since we're here, let's apply some lipstick. I don't always have an order in the way I apply the makeup. I get a lot inspired by makeup, so one step leads to another. I always take a brush and spread the lipstick. If you do it like this, especially with a matte lipstick, I promise you, it will feel so much more comfortable. Let's set the makeup with tiny bit of powder. This is a Sigma tapered highlighter F35, whatever, I'm gonna use it for powder. Setting this side of the face and around the nose and mouth. You guys, thank God you cannot smell me through the video because the amount of onion that I've consumed should be like against the law. This is optional. If you don't care about everything else and you only want to do eye makeup, I think you're gonna love this because right now I'm taking just a black pencil and I dot it all along the lash line. This is a Sigma Longwear eyeliner pencil. Now, if you're doing that cat eye in like seconds, good for you, okay? I don't. I need forever. So I just contour all along the lash line, and then I take a brush. This is a Sigma, of course it's a Sigma. I'm surrounded with Sigma products now. This is an E21 smudger. So look straight into the mirror. And drag a little bit that pencil towards the end of your eyebrow, right? Make a little flick right there. Just a little flick right there. Basically, what I did, in order to give the eye illusion that's a little bit higher in here, I didn't follow my natural lash line and then go up. I've started to take the line higher from like around here. I think that this is what makes it very modern and sexy and cool looking. I'll use the Too Faced Damn Girl. This is perfect for lazy days because you don't have to keep on adding and adding and adding. You do a few swipes and your lashes are already super black and thick and lifted. You see the trick with the eyeliner? Just lifts the eyes. Do you have oily skin? Especially on the T-zone, use a setting spray like the Tatcha, the Satin Skin Mist. This has very, very fine powder, but don't imagine that you're gonna spray powder on your face. Not at all like that, okay? It just has very, very thin powder inside. When you spray it, it's going to give a satin finish to your skin. I recommend this only for oily and combination skin. Here's the thing. For me, this is good. Like I'm literally going to leave with Alex in less than 15 minutes. For me, this is perfect. Why am I not using any bronzer? Because I feel like already this lipstick that I've used as a blush gives me color, gives me a little bit of structure on my face. Like I don't feel like I need anything more. Why wouldn't I apply highlighter? I've applied my powder in the around my nose, around my eyes, but I haven't applied it right here. So there's still some shine in there that I actually like, and I don't believe that I need any more highlighter. This lipstick, I can assure you, it's going to be on your lips all day long. It's so comfortable. It's matte, so maybe that's not your vibe. If I know my hair is gonna be down like this, I cannot stand wearing a lip gloss. You know that situation where you're like, yeah. So matte lipsticks for me always work when my hair is down. Remember the trick of applying it and then feathering it out with a brush or with your fingers just to make it softer, less thick on the lips. That's going to give comfort and it's going to make your lips look very beautiful and real, not like someone just glued a draw with some lips on your face, you know? Alright guys, this is my lazy makeup tutorial. Again, choose your battles. You don't have to do everything. Pick whatever is most important for you. I know that most women would love to have their eyes a little bit more present. This eye look, you can do it. Trust me, you can do this. Even if it looks a little intimidating because of the shape of the eyeliner, but trust me, follow all the steps and you can do this. Just practice. I wasn't born with it. Thank you so much for watching. If you're supporting this channel, make sure that you've subscribed and clicked on that ring bell button and like this video. Follow me on Instagram if you want to know more about me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Continue. Come kiss me. Hi everybody, I'm Andrea. You see, it didn't come off.